it's Sophie Playday.
Yes, welcome back, friends. So if you've been watching our video, you have seen us unwrap an LOL surprise pets. The one Sophie's holding, right, Sophie?
Yeah.
Yes, right there. And these are the ones we have already opened. So we had a gold ball, an ultra rare, and the ultra rare came with 2 of these pets. And then we opened another one and we got Miss Puppy. And then here we have Hoops DOGG. So today we want to announce that we'll be giving away one of these balls. A new one that Sophie's holding, right, Sophie?
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. We're gonna give one away. So if you guys want to enter, make sure you guys follow the direction at the end of the video, okay?
Yeah.
And then make sure to watch more videos of LOL Surprise Pets. We'll be doing some hacks and some review on these balls, maybe some tricks and hacks for you guys. So make sure you guys tune in and watch our videos. Don't forget to subscribe and share our videos with our friends. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye!